Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 5 divided by 5 is equal to 80 divide 10. So now 80 divide 10 is equal to 8. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. Is equal to 80. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 80 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 10 by 5 is equal to 5 by 10. Multiply 5 is equal to, now 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Now 8 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, now here is multiplication, here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So now 8 multiply 5 is equal to 40. Multiply 5. Now 40 multiply 5 is equal to 200. Okay. So the correct answer is 200. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.